Hey guys, it's Paul, PNUK or Punk Training. I want to give you a quick lesson today, as you'll see from the title, how to add a flag icon from data in Google Sheets. So I've got a Golf YouTube list where data comes in from YouTube in an abbreviated fashion. I convert it to the name of the country, and then that country looks like this in a flag. So I add the flag icon via the Wikipedia image. So what I first need to do is I need to convert the name of the country. So I get it in an abbreviation. So what I'll do is timestamp this. If you've already got the name of the country, you can skip this part. But if you've got abbreviated, you can use this via a GIF version. But the problem is if you use the GIF link, you might get copyright issues with using GIFs. Because the GIF, if I use this code, right, so let me just start a little bit less mumbled. So the code I use is going to turn this column into an image by looking at Wikipedia's gallery of flags and then replacing the search with N2, which is whatever's written in this column. So it will look for the United Kingdom flag on Wikipedia. I'll share this text, this code, in the link below. I'll put a link to a page where it'll have all this code and maybe some more information. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to insert it in here. So I want to put it left of this column and I want the flag to show up in here. So I'm going to paste it in there and it's going to give me a padlock because it's looking for N2. It's looking here for a United Kingdom. In this case it is United Kingdom. So if I type United Kingdom in here and go back, I get a little United Kingdom emblem. Let's try and make it bigger. Right, if I type in Brazil, over here, I now get the Brazil flag, right? So what we've done, just to say it again, we've turned it to an image from this link, looking at this page on Wikipedia. If we jump to that page, this is a page of flags, and then it searches that page for that flag. So now what I want, and this is the part you might want to skip from, is I need to change the abbreviation into the country for all of these that have got some listed, right? So what I do for that is I run this code, which is probably an easier way of doing it than this. But I basically list here, have a look in I2 for whatever's there. If it doesn't say US United States, then change it to this, or whatever it says, change it to what is listed. I'm going to copy that. Oh, I'm going to try, if I just do copy all in it, copy. This time I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste it in and tab away. Is it in I2? It is in I2. If it's a different column that you need to pick, another different cell, change that setting there. And now it'll say United Kingdom, right? So if I go back here, and go up and double click the bottom right, it's going to go all the way down with padlocks. And then when I come over here, double click this and it's going to pick everything. Is going to find a flag. Sometimes the sizing's a little bit weird. You probably find it better to do it smaller. Obviously, change your settings. I share it via another spreadsheet, not this one, so I'm not going to mess too much with it. But you'll see, and if anybody knows in the comments how to make this work, I can't get Spain to work. I don't know why. If I change this to Spain, or if I oh man, if I change this to Spain, it doesn't work. Spain. I don't know why Spain isn't working. I've tried. What you'll see there, I've tried to change it to different things. I can't remember. Puerto Rico's not listed either, which is another thing. There's not every single flag is not listed, which is a bit of a pain. But yeah, that's how to do it. It's not a perfect solution because of the few flags missing. Maybe I'll update when I work out how to fix Spain and things like that, which is a bit annoying. That obviously, Barcelona haven't tracked that they're from Spain, whereas Obviously, I've tried España, I've tried Spain. There's going to be a fix for that, which I will post if and when I find it. You might want to, just alter this so they're a bit centered. Some of the images are a little bit smaller. Obviously, some flags are squares rather than rectangles. But you may want to just change that and edit it to the best you look. So hopefully that makes sense. So I'll run through it again, but that's pretty much the end of the video. So I need to do it on sort for views now. In fact, I need to totally change that. So I won't run through it again. But ultimately, in that first column, you need this data, and the only thing you need to change is where the information is listed. It's in N2, and then if you need to convert the an abbreviated country name, you can do that with this code, and that in any new countries that are added, you can just type them in and save it through. Hopefully that was a little bit of a shambles of a lesson, but hopefully it makes sense enough to understand how you will do it. Any questions, leave them below. I will leave the link to the forum where I will post that code, and hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Paul Punk out.